Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a air compressor. An air compressor on a '04 Tahoe, Chevy Tahoe with a 5.3 engine in it, okay? See, here's an air compressor here. Guys, you know, it's a tedious little thing, but it's not that bad thanks to Chevy. Chevy makes a lot of their stuff, you know, in the early 2000s and a little later. It's a little bit more easy to work on a Chevy than it is those stupid ass Ford or Chrysler because of some of their designs. Okay, here's my compressor there. I also have a dryer that I'm gonna have to put on as well. You know, it comes in a kit. You know, you got your charging oil right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the oil in here before we put it up there. That's the type of oil they want us to use, okay? So you got those two things going. And one other thing, I got a filter. This goes inside the line, guys. You know what I mean? That's what it is. It goes inside the line. You know, inside the dash. So, I'm gonna come over here to this Tahoe here, and I'm gonna raise the jack up. You guys bear with me. We ain't talking about the fight no more. Okay. We got the dryer here, guys. What you got to do to get the dryer off, man, is you have to take this bolt off, which looks like it's going to be a 13 millimeter here. You also got some new O-rings to put in it, all right? The O-ring is going to go on, this green one is going to go on the line, and the other one, too, we're going to go on the other line. Take it off like that right there. You can see what I'm doing, right? I'm gonna set that up right there. Yeah, stay with me, guys. Stay with me. Okay, do this here. That's gonna see how that fits. They both are the same, okay? So you can't go wrong, and you're not going wrong by doing this. You're going to put your new seals right there, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys another little trick that OG Trip does, man. I also take my grease. You know, multi-purpose grease. And I set it and I put it around my O-rings, okay? Because I don't want to take a chance of pinching them, cutting them as I slide the hose up on them. That grease is going to protect them, and it's also going to help it seal, believe it or not, okay? So the first step would be coming this way here. Let me get y'all in there. Right there. This keyboard is spinning. That might be high enough now, guys. All right, that's good. Give you a little bit more light, okay? Squeeze you up in here. Let you down right here.